Now is the time to protect each person's medical decision. Our legal system and courts must protect our rights to informed consent and personal medical freedom. The Medical Freedom Amendment protects each person from the overreach of government. The Medical Freedom Amendment proposed as the 28th Amendment to the United States Constitution is stated as follows. All people have the right to secure their health in the manner they choose. Congress, the President, state legislatures, and executives, governmental agencies or departments shall make no law, rule, regulation, or executive order that impedes the individual's rights to informed consent, nor right to medical choice nor freedom of medical choice. Nor shall the President, Congress, state legislatures, and executives, governmental agencies or departments make any law, rule, regulation, or executive order that impedes the individual's right to medical privacy and freedom, without individual and specific judicial warrant, supported by oath and affirmation of necessary cause, to protect society from harm, describing the individual's condition and danger it presents. Dr. Benjamin Rush, signer of the Declaration of Independence, physician to George Washington and the nation's first Surgeon General, maintained that medical freedom should be specified in the Bill of Rights, otherwise medicine would develop into medical tyranny. The birth of industrial medicine began when John D. Rockefeller, the wealthiest man in America, was interested in the pharmaceutical industry and medical research. Andrew Carnegie, the second most wealthy man, joined Rockefeller in this pursuit through the Carnegie Institute and the American Medical Association. An employee of the Rockefeller Institute for Medical Research, Simon Flexner, recommended his brother Abraham, an educator who was neither a physician nor a medical scientist, to prepare the study of the German medical profession with the goal to improve the quality of medical service based on scientific principles of the early 20th century. Abraham Flexner reported that the German School of Medicine placed research as the major focus. This became the standard for all the AMA-endorsed medical schools. The German School of Medicine followed the theory of materialism. All phenomena, including human consciousness, was considered material interactions. With advances in biochemistry and biophysics, this view of the world is outdated, yet maintained today in allopathic drug medical practice. Homeopathy, chiropractic, eclectic medicine of herbs, osteopathy, electrical medicine, and massage were demoted as quackery. Small medical schools were closed. Within 10 years the number of medical schools dropped from 650 to 50, the number of medical students decreased from 7,500 to 2,500. The report contained detailed regulations of education and pharmacology as the only solution against diseases. No medical school could be created without the permission of government. All medical research must adhere fully to the protocols of scientific research of the 1910 materialism, medication, and vaccination. In 1997 the World Health Organization of the United Nations obtained full control over medicine. The power of the Flexner Report was extended worldwide. This perception of medical care has become a world standard. The mandates by state and federal governmental agencies, along with the actions of global institutions through the World Health Organization, destroyed medical freedom, censored scientists and physicians, denied effective alternative therapies. After World War II, the Nuremberg Code of 1947 made medical informed consent the very first point. No agreement or permission can be given by a patient to perform a medical procedure upon the person, unless that person has first been given complete and accurate information about all possible effects of the procedure or medicine. The United States has the highest per capita pharmaceutical use, with the worst record of bad adverse effects in the world.
The Medical Freedom Amendment ensures our medical rights and medical informed consent. Medical practice is to care for the person and create health. The Hippocratic Oath is either help or do not harm the patient. Now is the time. Join the health freedom movement. The Medical Freedom Amendment needs your support.
Abraham Lincoln said, "I am a firm believer in the people. If given the truth, they can be depended upon to meet any national crisis. The great point is to bring them the real facts.